Yo, before we hop into this video, like, comment, and subscribe.
Yo, man, what's up, man? It's your boy Marcel, bro. And today, I'm about to show you boys how to brush your front waves. It's about to be a quick, easy video. I'm about to be talking in the video as well. I'm gonna play a little bit of music, do what I do, chop it up. So we're gonna get right into it. But before we start, I cracked my mirror. So my mirror is cracked, so it's crazy, but we still gonna get into it, you know what I'm saying? So, but before we actually get into the video, go ahead and hit that notification button, subscribe, and leave a comment, man, because I'm dropping bangers every other day. But I guess, I say every other day, but today I'm about to give y'all another one. So let's get it, man. All right, man, so we're about to get into this video, man. Let me go ahead and unwrap for you boys so y'all can see what I'm working with. Let's get it. Let's go, man. Easy, quick video. You can see on my back waves, the side, the front, this way. Alrighty, so we're gonna hop into the video, man. We're gonna get into it. We gotta comb though first. We gotta comb. No, I'm just playing, we don't gotta comb. So, the first brush I'm hopping in with is the medium brush, man. So if you're a beginner waver and you want to get the waves on the top, man, we gotta come straight down. And it's so simple, man. You start from right here, your crown, and you just brush it down. Brush it down just like that. Don't worry about the stuff in the background, that's my cousins. But you brush it straight down like this. Very, very easy, man. I think this video gonna be less than like 3 minutes, no cap. Brush it straight down like that. Too easy, man. Too easy. And then if you wanna hit the front, you go just like this. Hit the front just like that. So easy, Too easy. And you hit the other side, you hit the same way. You hit it stroke, stroke, stroke. Very, very easy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna talk a little bit and then I'm gonna speed it up, because I don't think this video is gonna be long. This is probably gonna be a really short video. So you see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could count it too. You could count how many times you do it. If this is if you just want waves on the top though. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you just start over. After you do it, you can brush your crown a little bit like this. Just do something like that. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hit the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then hit that other side of the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just really easy, man. You see that? It's really it's so simple. It's crazy. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up, and then I'm gonna get you boys on here. All right, let's get it. Alrighty, man, so this is gonna be the end of the video after this brush session with this saw. So again, if you're getting waves at the top, just hit it with just count 5. We're gonna start on this side, the left top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Front top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're gonna hit the left top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna do it one more time, and after that I'm gonna speed it up, and that's gonna be the end of the video, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit that. Let's get this R. Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, after you get done with that, make sure you hit that crown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So really, yeah, that's it, man. I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up, bro. Yo, okay, before we go, man, I know somebody's like, man, is that really the end of the video? Yes, it is, bro. But I'm actually about to go and get an actual session in, like the whole head session with the hard, medium, and soft brush. But before we get out of this video, man, go ahead and hit that notification button. Subscribe. I'm posting every other day, but today I dropped a video today because I'm like, yo, I need to, I need to get you beginner waves right. Hit the notification bell, subscribe, and leave a comment, man. I'm out, boy.